In today's digital age, entrusting your sensitive financial information to online platforms requires careful consideration. For small business owners and freelancers, accounting software like Kashoo offers a streamlined approach to managing finances. However, a crucial question lingers. How secure is Kashoo, and can you truly rely on it to protect your valuable data? As an expert in accounting management software, I'm here to provide an in-depth, easy-to-understand look at Kashoo's security measures. Imagine your accounting data as the lifeblood of your business. It contains everything from income and expenses to customer details and tax information. Losing this data or having it fall into the wrong hands can have severe consequences, ranging from financial losses and reputational damage to legal repercussions. Therefore, understanding the security protocols employed by your accounting software is paramount. Kashoo, like other reputable cloud-based accounting solutions, understands the gravity of this responsibility and implements a multi-layered approach to safeguard user data. Let's break down these security measures in a way that's simple and clear for everyone, whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned professional. 1. Data encryption, the digital lock and key. At its core, Kashoo employs robust data encryption techniques. Think of encryption as a sophisticated locking mechanism for your digital information. When your data travels between your computer or device and Kashoo's servers, it's scrambled into an unreadable format using complex algorithms. This process ensures that even if unauthorized individuals were to intercept this data, they wouldn't be able to make sense of it without the unique key to decrypt it. Kashoo utilizes industry-standard encryption protocols, such as Transport Layer Security, TLS, and Secure Sockets Layer, SSL, for data in transit. This means that the connection between your browser and Kashoo's servers is secure and protected against eavesdropping. Furthermore, Kashoo also encrypts your data at rest, meaning that even when your information is stored on their servers, it remains in an encrypted state, adding another layer of protection against unauthorized access. 2. Secure data centers, Fort Knox for your finances. Where your data is physically stored is another critical aspect of security. Kashoo partners with reputable data center providers that employ stringent physical security measures. These facilities are often located in undisclosed locations, guarded by round-the-clock security personnel, and equipped with advanced surveillance systems. Access to these data centers is strictly controlled and limited to authorized personnel only. Furthermore, these data centers are designed with redundancy and disaster recovery in mind. This means that your data is typically mirrored across multiple servers in different locations. In the event of a hardware failure or a natural disaster at one location, your data remains safe and accessible from another. This commitment to infrastructure resilience minimizes the risk of data loss due to unforeseen circumstances. 3. Access controls and authentication. Verifying identities. Kashoo implements robust access controls to ensure that only authorized users can access your account and your financial data. This starts with a secure login process that requires a unique username and a strong, complex password. It's crucial for users to choose passwords that are difficult to guess and to keep them confidential. Beyond basic passwords, Kashoo may also offer or encourage the use of multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide 2 or more verification factors before granting access. This could involve something you know, your password, something you have, a code sent to your phone, or something you are, biometric authentication like a fingerprint. Enabling MFA significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if your password were to be compromised. 4. Regular security audits and updates. Continuous vigilance. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly evolving, which is why ongoing security efforts are essential. Kashoo conducts regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and address potential weaknesses in their systems. These audits are often performed by independent third-party security experts who rigorously test Kashoo's defenses. Furthermore, Kashoo is committed to keeping its software up to date with the latest security patches and updates. These updates often address newly discovered vulnerabilities and ensure that the platform remains protected against emerging threats. As a user, it's also important to keep your own devices and browsers updated to maintain a secure connection. 5. Data backup and recovery, your safety net. Despite the best security measures, unforeseen events can still occur. That's why robust data backup and recovery processes are crucial. Kashoo regularly backs up your financial data, creating snapshots of your information at different points in time. In the event of data loss due to a system failure or even accidental deletion on your part, these backups can be used to restore your data and minimize disruption to your business operations. Understanding your role in security. While Kashoo invests significantly in security, it's important to remember that security is a shared responsibility. As a user, you play a vital role in protecting your own data. Here are some simple yet effective steps you can take. Choose strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 123456 or password. Opt for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Use a different password for your Kashoo account than for other online services. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. If Kashoo offers MFA, enable it. This simple step significantly enhances your account security. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Phishing emails or messages try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. Be wary of unsolicited emails or messages asking for your Kashoo login details. Always log in to your Kashoo account directly through the official website or app. Keep your devices secure. Ensure your computer, phone, or tablet has up-to-date antivirus software and operating system updates. Avoid accessing your Kashoo account on public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Educate yourself and your team. If you have employees who access your Kashoo account, ensure they are also aware of security best practices.